That looks nice and light, as you can see there. This one was done as well yesterday, which looks pretty light. Now the tree today we're going to basically be tackling is this one over there, that big one. So I need to basically cut this up to that point. So let's do it. Well, in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, I tell you how to cut trees. Tree cutting made easy as we travel the world. Well, cutting a tree is pretty easy. As you can see there, you cut and basically drop them to the floor. But imagine what it's going to look like once all those branches are coming off and I'm just basically throwing them on the ground. And the ground is going to look a bit messier, a lot messier, as you're going to find out soon. So how do we manage that? That's the key, and that's exactly the reason I'm making this video. So you'll find that out in this video. And cutting the tree might be an easy task, but I tell you exactly step by step, the easiest way as possible how to manage yourself. Because obviously when you get stressed out by work, you have to manage yourself, and once you manage yourself, you're going to be able to manage the mess and the task at hand. Well, as you can see there, all the tree on top is gone. Where is it? There. And I'll have to clear that mess now. So let's clear that and see how we get on with it. Well, that's pretty much the last bundle, and the tree there that used to be there, cleaned up now. It's pretty much gone. Just got a bit of a structure left there, but if I could just show you there, right there. So just get a bit of structure left there, but that's it. We got lots of wood here that I'm gonna be taking it to the park or wherever fate takes us. God bless us and God bless everybody. So see you on the next trip, wherever that is, and keep safe. Tools are good, but be careful. Thank you.